Hi, for this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly draw and duplicate parking lines for a planimetric survey. First, I'm going to take the polyline tool and draw my first parking line here. Then I'll right-click for the mini toolbar and select the Move Copy tool to duplicate the parking line across this row. Then I'll select all the drawn parking lines and use the Move Copy tool again to duplicate multiple parking lines at the same time, and continue to do so until I have duplicated all the parking lines for the parking islands. For the parking lines along the edges of the lot, I'll draw a baseline to help with the alignment, then use the geometry snapping feature to quickly duplicate parking lines along the baseline, in the same way I've been drawing parking lines across the entire survey. Then continue with these same methods until all of the parking lines are drawn.